An indoor smart garden allows you to grow fresh food all year round from the comfort of your home. Smart gardens give you this flexibility by using a mix of red, white, and blue LEDs on a cycle to mimic natural light and boost growth, says My Job gardening expert Fiona Jenkins. Some have settings to adjust the lighting mix to specifically help vegetables, flowers, or fruit. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present Top 5 Best Indoor Smart Gardens. Let's get started. Number 5. Click and Grow Smart Garden. The Click and Grow Smart Garden 9 Pro is an affordable, compact way to grow herbs, salad greens, or flowers with minimal effort. It holds 9 seed pods, and you can extend its 13-watt LED light arm to increase the grow height up to 23.2 inches. However, you need to buy these extension arms separately, which adds to the cost. To make growing even easier, the Click and Grow automatically waters your plants, and its 1-gallon tank will last about 2 to 3 weeks, on average. The accompanying Click and Grow app is intuitive and provides a huge amount of information about the plants, their growing habits, as well as water and light controls and alerts. Instead of using a classic hydroponic system, Click and Grow gardens use capillary precision irrigation. CPI technology helps control moisture in the soil by doling out water and nutrients at certain intervals that are best for the plants. An automated timer controls the lights, which you can preset to go on and off in line with sunlight. Number 4. Vivison Z206 Wi-Fi Control Smart Garden. The Vivison Z206 growing system is the most affordable way to get a smart garden without sacrificing advanced features. The 21-watt LED grow light arm extends to a maximum height of 21.3 inches. Fans, fitted alongside the LED, mimic wind to discourage flies and disperse heat. The 7-liter water tank has an observation window, allowing you to check levels manually or via the app. Having such a large tank means the water will last around a month, although it does make the Vivison growing system a little bulky. In our experience, Wi-Fi was temperamental, and we often had to repair our phone, but it didn't seem to impact the plants. Number 3. N-Small Garden with Basil Seed Pods. The N-Small Garden combines style with substance and ease of use. Its wooden base and soft gray handle, which houses a row of 9-watt LED lights, resembles a miniature flower bed. Its compact size is big enough to accommodate 10 soilless, biodegradable seed pods, but small enough to fit on desktops. The lights are soft enough to double up as a lamp, too. Due to the unique size and shape of seed pods and how they slowly release nutrients with each watering, it's not possible to use third-party seeds in this garden. The tracking features on the iOS app, which let you monitor water levels, adjust the light, and watch which plants are growing in which pods, are also only accurate when used with seed pods. Unfortunately, there is no Android app yet. Number 3. Garden 2.0 Indoor Garden Hydroponics. With the Garden 2.0 vertical indoor garden, you can grow up to 30 plants in spaces as small as 2 square feet. 2 rows of 60-watt LED lights, each fitted with 15 pods, extend vertically out of the 6-gallon water tank. These pods hold individual garden Y cubes, growing pots of seeds. You can buy Y cubes in a variety of options or purchase empty Y cubes to put your own seeds in. Sensors inside the tank monitor water levels, temperature, and humidity. You can view the readings on the Garden app, where you also get alerts when the system needs attention. 2 5-megapixel cameras also let you remotely check in on the progress of your plants. You need a membership if you want more monitoring assistance from Garden's AI assistant, Kelby. However, this subscription provides plant coaching from Kelby and 10 Y cubes to use toward a selection of over 50 plants a month. Number 1. AeroGarden Bounty Elite. With dimmable, 50-watt LEDs that mimic the full spectrum of light from sunrise to sunset, the AeroGarden Bounty Elite provides conditions to grow plants up to 5 times faster than in soil. It only has space for 9 plants, but thanks to an extendable lamp arm, it offers a growth height of 24 inches. This allowance makes it well suited to growing tall plants such as tomatoes and bell peppers. You can monitor and control the Bounty Elite from the AeroGarden app and via any Amazon Alexa-compatible device. You can use voice commands to check your garden's status or turn its lights on or off. The built-in touchscreen on the unit also shows water levels and grow times, alongside access to light controls and garden tips.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.